Have you ever seen the wonder in the glimmer of her sight? As the eyes begin to open and the blindness meets the light.
Ang inay, ano yan, very protective sa amin. Especially sa cleanliness, sa hygiene, very, very protective. Lagi siyang gusto niya, lagi malinis kami. Kahit na halos magsugat na yung aming mga paa, basta malinis niya. Kaya we end up with a lot of peklat.
Ang inay, sobrang linis talaga. Kaya lang, ayun nga, medyo hindi siya masyado marunong magluto. Kasi umaasa sa nanay niya. Pero talagang napakasipag maglaba, maglinis ng bahay. Biro mo naman kami, 8 kami. Pero may 10 kami, kaya lang yung 2 namatay, bata pa lang namatay na. Kaya talagang grabe ang sakripisyo na niya sa amin. At napakabait na ina. Inay, masasabi ko lang talagang mahal na mahal ka namin at nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Umabot ka sa ganitong edad. Sana yung dagdagan pa na mas marami. Naiyak ako. Sana yung dagdagan ka pa ng maraming edad at nang makasama ka pa namin. Kahit medyo maligalig na ng konti. Thank you, thank you.
And I'm walking in the light. I'm walking in the wonder.
Happy birthday, Tita Ike.
To the wilderness to wonder.
Alam mo yon, like, 8 kami. 8 kami, so imaginein mo, hindi siya nag-work, talagang on hand siya sa aming lahat. Alam mo, sobrang, you could say, the best mother in the world. Kasi imagine mo, wala siyang yaya, wala siyang yaya. She did it by herself, so, we always say, Mommy is the best, my best mom, the best mother in the world.
I see the Jesus way, and I'm walking in the light. I see the world in light. I see the world in wonder. I see the world in life, bursting in living color. I see the world your way. I see the world your way. And I'm not ashamed to say so. I see the Jesus way.
My point lang is, siya yung kind ng mother na laging iniisip yung kanyang mga anak na dapat malinis kayo palagi. So, that's how I remember my inay. And today, I would like to greet her again. Happy birthday, Nay. And I'm so happy that you have reached 90 years old. And we are still counting for more years for you to be with us and for you to and for everyone to enjoy you as our mom. Happy birthday, Nay! Love you!
Lola, I wish you many, many more years to come. Kahit lagpas 100 pa, it's fine. We'll celebrate all of the milestones.
You're the wonder in the wild.
I'm just very glad na kasama ko pa rin yung lola ko until now and until forever.
Oh, I see the world